Right guys, just came and saw this blood all over the stick and I thought, hang on, what's going on here? And just realised he's one of the budgies bit its legs. Hang on, you see there? And he can't move them properly. So I've just chucked the other one in there and I could see the blood on its face. Hang on, once it looks this side, yeah, you can see that there's blood on his face near the beak. Yeah, there you go. So he's bit off his leg. So I don't know what to do now because I've got these two that fight with all of them, and they're both females. So I've got to see what I can do with this one, treat her leg. It's a lot of blood basically. Yeah.